This video is dedicated to the relay swap system of Graviton that uses GTON as a token in the middle. Relay swap is a product that utilizes GTON for cross-chain swaps of native tokens. The swaps are executed quickly due to the constant availability of GTON in the pools with the native assets on all integrated chains. Relay swaps are currently in testing and are limited to approximately $100 in the origin chain's token per transaction. We kindly advise you to do your own research before attempting to do a swap. In this video, as an example, I will conduct a relay swap of Ether on Ethereum to BNB on Binance Smart Chain. BNB is the native token of the BSC blockchain, so in order to try BSC, you have to first obtain BNB to pay transaction fees. Using our relay swap solution is an easy way to try a new ecosystem. So let's connect our MetaMask and enter a small amount of Ether here. And in the to address field, we can put any address on Binance Smart Chain, but for the simplicity's sake, let's paste the same address by clicking the Use the Same Address button. Now, when we click Next, we will see a confirmation window where we can make sure that we've entered the correct information and also see some additional notes about the swap, such as the estimated transaction time. Finally, when we click Swap, a MetaMask window should pop up to allow us to confirm the transaction. After confirming, we can see the status of the deposit and swap transactions in the small model window down below. In about 5 minutes, we can see that both transactions have been completed and we have received our BNB to our Binance Smart Chain account. You can verify this by clicking on transaction links in the model window down below. Thank you for your attention.